Hi guys, I'm at the Fairmont here in Maui and I just wanted to show you guys the tour. So this is the main level and as you can see there's plenty of space. I love it. I'm just getting here too, so you're on the tour with me. This is actually the view from my room, this fountain here. Let's just take a look and see where it goes. This fountain is beautiful. I love this for any deltas. The elephants there would be beautiful. I'm just gonna take a look in the garden, check it out. What I really love is that there's lots of different spaces that you can hang out. And if you're like me, I love a private cabana. So these are adorable. But yeah, so I'm just getting here and just want to do what I do. I always like to just get like a view of the entire place before I like make my choices on where I want to be, where I want to post up. I like it. Tranquility area. I'm going to need some of that. So I like this because you don't have to just be on the beach. But look at the sunset. It's amazing. I think we'll definitely have a nice like sunset view right here. What's nice is that right now it's about 5:45, so it also shows you that there's plenty of space here. I would really recommend this place. The pictures don't really do the place justice. As a matter of fact, I wanted to change the hotel when I was looking initially because I thought that it didn't look updated, but the hotel that we stayed at in Honolulu actually needed a little more updating than here. So honestly, I can't even believe I said that after getting here. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is completely my vibe. These tranquility spots. Get your whole life together right here. This would be good for a family reunion. Get your whole life worked out right here in the tranquility area. Okay? Okay. So, there's a lot of pools here. I don't know. I think there's 3. There's a lot of kids at this pool. So, nothing's wrong with that. I've been on vacations with kids before. Unfortunately, now my kids are old enough to where they are amazing to vacation with. But yes. I mean, can we just talk about the sunset view for a minute? I think they're doing the lighting right here. I'm just gonna check that out. It absolutely does not get any better than this. Okay? This is incredible. The sunset's beautiful. I love these villas down there. That's not where we're staying, but it's nice seeing that is an option if we ever wanted to come do that. So what I'm excited about is like making this path and walking down, because at the last property we were at, the access was not direct to the ocean. So let's just see that direct access from the hotel. As you guys can see, I'm getting close to it, so it must mean that we have really good access to everything. This is the ocean, ladies and gentlemen. There's not much more beautiful than this. Not much at all. Nice walking trail. That's it. Look at this. It's beautiful. And this is my tour. And if you want to just see how it looks from the ocean view, this is the Fairmont, Maui. Safe travels and enjoy.